What's up, guys? Steve here again from Card Break NL. We're doing a quick filler for 4 spots. Top 3 names after 4 randoms gets a spot. Top name gets 2. We're live. Good luck. Here's your double case break filler. It is 9:03 on the clock, and here's your list. We got Charles all the way down to Jordan. Best of luck, folks. 1, 2, 3. What's the timestamp? Timestamp on 3. 9:03. 9:03. Last and final, you're looking for top 3. Here we go. And there you have it. Charles, man, you're on fire today. 2 spots in the double case break for you. And Nick and Bess are getting 1 each. So spots 1, 2, and 7 done at that time. Here's your your 4th and final timestamp as always. 4th and final timestamp. 9:03. 9:03. So congratulations, Charles, Nick, and Besser. You guys will get tagged now shortly to make your picks. Congrats again. After 4, we'll see you soon, and best of luck in the break.